and acrylic. You got very small pinky. This one's small, so we're going over here. Thicker, and the middle one too. The middle finger gonna be thicker, so that can be strong. Because there was middle finger is a long finger in the hand. Whenever you get in a fight, that's the one that broke foot, or cleaning or working. Yeah, is that always the middle one?
Yeah.
That's why the middle one we're gonna be extra thick. Smart, eh? Sometimes people use the thumb to open battery pack or Pepsi or whatever they're gonna like. The lady I did her nail last time, she said, I use my thumb to try to fix the hair dryer. The hair dryer. That's how she broke the thumb. So the thumb have to be a little thick too. Because people using their thumb for a tool. When they couldn't find a tool to open the box, or they use the thumb. I'm get a little nervous when you record it too. Try not to take so long. They have a little smooth, like not a whole lot to sand or filing, and none of the acrylic nail is on the cuticle, right? And that's why when I do your nail, I never cut you bleeding, or it looks smooth, and the curve, you can see the curve. Let me see this way. Yep, looking good.